The type of variable is defined when you create new variable. Mostly, you want to store something basic, like number or character or string. So you can tell the computer, hey, I want a memory for some number, and I want to access it by this name. It is actually much simpler than it sounds. But why do we have to define type of variable? To computer, everything is just zeros and ones, so he doesn't care whether he store number or character. Yes, computer doesn't care. This feature is added for us programmers, because if you write some complex application, you need hundreds of variables, and if there is no type, after a while you will get lost and do something like multiply a string by a number instead of multiplying two numbers, and your application would crash. So we need data types, but not because of computer. In the beginning, the thing that variable can be set only to one data type is kinda pain in the ass, but as you get more advanced, you will appreciate this feature. The most used data types are integer. In code, you write int, and it can contain numbers from -2 billions and something to 2 billions. But this number can't have decimal point. Similar data type is short, which can contain numbers without decimal point, but smaller. It is from about -30,000 to +30,000. But mostly you will use integers instead of short. I just want you to know that something like this exists. If you want to store really big numbers, you can use long data type. This allows you to store numbers that have 18 zeros, and that's a lot. If you need to store decimal numbers, you can use double data type. Here you can store numbers like 10.8 or -3. Another data type you will definitely use is character. In code, we write char, and it can contain one character, like a or dot or space. And another data type is string. It can contain, for example, hello world or James or any other string. Another data type is important mostly in conditions. It is Boolean, and it can be set to true or false, and that's it. If you have any questions, just ask, and I will see you next time.